Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can export information from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online, so let's get started. To begin, go to QuickBooks Online. In the URL bar, type Export Data Talked right after the word App and press Enter. This will take you to the Export Overview page. When you're ready, select Get Started. Next, open QuickBooks Desktop on your computer. Go to the File menu and select Close Company. Make sure you leave QuickBooks Desktop open while you complete the rest of the process. Go back to QuickBooks Online and select Download Tool to install the QuickBooks Desktop Migration tool. Once the download is complete, select Continue. Now choose the data you'd like to export. You can either export everything with transactions or only lists and balances. After making your selection, click Continue. Verify the name and email address where you'd like the migration confirmation to be sent, then select Continue and Close. QuickBooks Online will now begin exporting your data. You'll receive a confirmation email once it's ready, which may take anywhere from 15 minutes to 24 hours depending on the size of your data. When you get the confirmation email, return to the Export Overview page by typing Export Data Talked after App in the QuickBooks Online URL. Select Get Started and then Continue. If your file is ready, you'll see an option to download it. Click Download QBXML file, and when prompted, save it somewhere easy to find like your desktop. Next, open the QuickBooks Desktop Migration tool you downloaded earlier. Locate the QBXML file and select Import. QuickBooks Desktop will then ask you to choose a location and name for your new company file. After saving, you'll see the QuickBooks Application Certificate. It might appear behind other windows, so check if you don't see it right away. Select the permissions you'd like to grant, then click Continue. QuickBooks Desktop will import your company file. Once the process is finished, select Done. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.